Oh, Neil hold 1 crore shares, 1 crore rupees shares in the X Limited, whose market price deviation is 2% every day, standard deviation 2%. Assuming 2 video trading days, determine the maximum loss for a period of 1 trading day and 10 trading days with 99% confidentiality rate. Confidence, 2% only with the standard deviation. Assume the price on normally at level of 99%, the equivalent Z score for the normal table cumulative is 2.33, 9.33, 2.33. What you will do? 2% loss na 1 crore or 2 lakhs. Then maximum loss per day is 2 lakhs and the 99% confidence is 2.33. That is 4.66 lakhs. That is the maximum loss you can expect. For 1 day it is. For 10 days, that is into root power 1 is equal to 4.66 lakhs. Same thing for other than root 1, root 10 you should put. Root 10 now what is the rate? Root 10 is 14.76 lakhs. This is the answer. Thank you.